Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Capcut and tap the project with the clip you want to edit. Swipe the timeline to center the clip and reveal its waveform. Tap the clip one time to open clip-level controls and options. Tap the audio button to show audio tracks, volume, and effects within one screen. Tap Effects to open the Effects browser and Applied Effects list. This sequence takes about 3 taps and 2 seconds between actions on a typical phone. Open the Effects panel and look for the effect listed under the clip name. Tap the applied effect to select it and show detailed controls and presets. Use the delete button or trash icon to remove that effect from the clip immediately. If you hear the effect still, check the track or master settings for a global effect applied to multiple clips. Remove the global effect by selecting the track, opening effects, and tapping remove to clear it. Hit play to confirm the effect has been removed and audio sounds natural. Listen through the whole clip and test different devices or headphones for accurate monitoring. Use undo immediately if you accidentally remove the wrong effect or need to revert changes. To reapply, open the effects library and choose the desired preset to add back. When satisfied with audio, tap Export and choose resolution and bitrate settings for final file delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.